this week I have finished the main loop of the game and sent it off to my client as a prototype. It's nowhere near done, but I think it's good enough for an early prototype for them to basically play through all the features that they want in the game and then feedback me any tweaks that they want. I've finally added in as well the disposal, so it has a chance based on the machine for raw material to either come back as waste, which is bad. Too much waste builds up, then you lose the game. Or in certain machines, it will come back as raw material. So there you go, you've got raw material there. So obviously, the more eco machines you get in, the higher chance you have of basically recycling and getting raw materials back.